Okay, so we were talking a while ago about Zotero. So this is again the website. It's zotero.org, and then you just press download so that you can download the software. So that is how it looks like. Okay. So what I want to share with you today are additional online platforms that you can use to do your researches. So we already know about Google Scholar, but there are other platforms where you can get research materials, scientific materials for free. Okay, so let me just share my screen. So the first online platform that where you can get materials for free is called the Directory of Open Access Journals, or DUAJ, Directory of Open Access Journals. So you just click here, journals. You can also click here, kining journal, ang mugawas ani our journal name. So dito mo click sa articles so that we can find articles that are related to the topic that we are researching. So for example, I type here robotics. And then just wait for a few seconds. The watch is giving me 17,000 articles related to robotics. Okay, so plenty of articles to research, plenty of articles to choose from, and then you can also use this filter tool here at the left side to fine tune your search, to refine your searches even more. So, kining duwaj, this is another alternative that we can use, an alternative to Google Scholar. Yeah, libre ni siya na din niya, and if you find an article that asks for payment, you just apply the Sci-Hub technique so that you can download the article. Okay, let's try this one. Let's try to open this article. Biohybrid actuators for soft robotics. And let's try to look at this. So this was published in 2020. Let's see if we can have the full article here. So we have the full article. So I think most of the articles here in the watch is actually free. So this is a very good platform for downloading scientific articles because there are a lot of free articles here also. Free gyud di ay because ang tungod sa word nga open access. Kini siya, DOAJ stands for Directory of Open Access Journals. So may ganito og open access, wala siya limitations to its accessibility. Tanan makakita, dili sila mga og bayad before you can access the full article. At accessible tanan, makita gid nimo the full article is accessible when you use this website, doaj.org, or the Directory of Open Access Journals. So this is another platform. Aside from Google Scholar, this is a very good platform, the Directory of Open Access Journals. So you use this for your future researches. And then the other good platform that we have is called ProQuest. So for this platform, SLSU is paying thousands, tens of thousands a year just for you to be able to use this online platform of resources. So all you have to do here is to enter the SLSU password. The SLSU password is SLSU PQ main. This is our school password, username, sorry, the school username, and the password is The password is ProQuest 2021. So muna siya ang password, ProQuest 2021. Enter. So I am now in the ProQuest website. I am now inside the database. And then I want to look for, pili ka din, what do you want to look for? Is it scientific journal articles? Will it be books? So I will click here, journal article. And let's say I will type here the word robotics. And let's see what options, what papers we are presented by this database. So, okay. So there are a lot here. Pila ang gihatag nila. Oh, we are given the search for papers related to robotics has yielded 121,000 papers. So that's a lot of papers that you can do for your thesis or for your proposal or for your essay. 121,000 options, 121,000 materials. So many materials to explore. So let's open this one. So can you, oh, these are all free. You see this word here at the right, full text. This means that you can access these materials for free, the entirety, the entire material. For example, this one, okay, this one, let's say for this one, automated, this one, 10 Integrity Platform for Resilient Robotics. This is published in the Journal of Advanced Intelligent Systems. Let's try to open this. So you are given here the full article. Nindot kayo, no? The full article gihatag nga walay bayad. Nindot kayo, walay bayad. There's just so much material that you can use for your thesis later on out of this database called ProQuest, and take advantage of this because SLSU is paying tens of thousands for this every year. So take advantage of this very good resource for your research projects, for your kining mga innovations. You're going to innovate a certain device, especially because you are infotech and engineering. This will be very useful for you because all the articles here are free. Payment is not required. Siyempre, free, gajud. Kay nagbayad na ba ang eskwelahan og tens of thousands of pesos every year. So, free, tanan, ang halos tanan are free. So, you now have Google Scholar. You are familiar with Google Scholar for your researches. And then today, you also learned to use DOAJ or the WAJ Directory of Open Access Journals. Directory of Open Access Journal. So tanan nga makita ninyo din open access wala gyud bayad, libre kay that's the meaning of open access. It means that you can download, you can access the full article without having to make a payment. And then the third online platform that we can use, the third database that we can use to download papers, search papers related to our topic is called ProQuest. So you have Google Scholar, you have DOAJ or Directory of Open Access Journals, and then you have ProQuest. So when you use ProQuest, don't forget to enter the SLSU username and the SLSU password. So use this for your research works next sem and in your future semesters here in SLSU. So thank you for watching.